How can you make Gmail messages open on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the Gmail official application from Google is a great app. I use it every day, but it's available on iPhone and iPad. So for the Apple Watch, you can still get the notifications and be informed about the emails, but if you want to fully read them and just perhaps reply, you'll need to use some kind of different mail client. And there are many of them actually available, right? Even at the mail one from Apple, like the official one, in there you can actually add your Google account as well, right? So you can open up the settings, go to apps and mail like that. And you can just add your account and just sign in with your Gmail like this. And the Apple Mail client is accessible easily on the Apple Watch. So in there, you can browse your Gmail emails very simply, right? So it just works well, but through a different client. And speaking of other mail clients, you can also explore the App Store, as there are plenty of different apps which you can use as your email applications, even on the Apple Watch. So most of them will get the job done, and just when you're browsing the App Store, pay attention to the platforms available so you can make sure that there is an Apple Watch version, because otherwise it will only work on the iPhone, right? But at the end of the day, you can choose any of those applications and have your Gmail messages ready on the wrist, always with you, without needing to grab the iPhone, right? So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next guides.